The attorney of the truck driver involved in last month's deadly 18-vehicle pileup on I-35 is asking that he be released from jail immediately or his bond be reduced to $1.
And it comes after a toxicology report found the driver did not have any alcohol or drugs that he was tested for in his system. Jayla Washington digs deeper into those lab results and what could have led to confusion in the arrest.
You were going way too fast. You know there's 2 people dead over there? And possibly 2 more?
This is witness video after a deadly multi-vehicle pileup on I-35 last month. We watched it with criminal defense attorney Gene Anthis.
They're dead. They're dead. Dead? Yes, dead.
Anthis is not connected to the case,
They're finna lock your up.
but he has 20 years of experience that help him with the analysis of the behavior of truck driver Solomon Wedekiel Araya, who was arrested and charged with intoxication manslaughter.
He doesn't look intoxicated to me.
He doesn't look intoxicated to you. A few weeks after Araya's arrest, toxicology results did not find alcohol or drugs in his system. The lab's catalog shows the test was capable of looking for up to 138 substances. But it's not clear if Araya was tested for all of those. But the results contradict extensive field sobriety tests. The walk and turn, the one-leg stand, performed by an experienced Austin police officer. Is this a fair conclusion to reach after performing field sobriety tests like this?
They had enough there at least to make an arrest for intoxication manslaughter.
How common is it for a field sobriety test to indicate that somebody is intoxicated, and then when you get the actual results back from the toxicology report, that's not the case?
It's pretty rare.
And says Araya could have been in shock.
Sometimes you've got just people who just present themselves that just seem a little bit off, where when an officer first interacts with them, that's their first judgment is that they're intoxicated. Sometimes when an officer is talking to someone that is foreign, they misinterpret maybe an accent for either slurring or speech problems.
Meanwhile, APD says it's now working with the DA's office to figure out specific charges in light of these toxicology results.
At the end of the day, it's hard because a jury wants to hold somebody accountable.
Jayla Washington, KXAN News.
And Araya could still face serious charges, according to the defense attorney Jayla spoke with. The arrest affidavit states that Araya had several truck driving violations within a week of the deadly crash. Araya's attorney told us there could be a hearing this week after he requested Araya be released from jail. Now, adding some depth, multiple lawsuits have been filed by victims and family of victims in relation to this crash. Nathan Jonard was severely injured in that wreck. His civil lawsuit targets the truck driver, the Dallas area company where he worked, as well as Amazon, though the driver is not an Amazon employee. Jonard is seeking more than $100 million. Another lawsuit is on behalf of Concepcion Joaquin, a 78-year-old mother of 11 who died in the crash. This litigation is also targeting the driver, his employer, Amazon, and this one is also targeting the construction contractor in charge of the construction zone. The family's attorney told KXAN's Brianna Hollis this suit isn't about a settlement.
No amount of money is going to bring back a grandmother, a mother, but at least there'll be some closure for the families.
And then there is also Priscilla Davila on the left and her 29-year-old boyfriend Francisco Villalobos on the right. The crash sent both of them to the ICU. The couple has also filed suit. We unpack all of the litigation over at KXAN.com.
First warning weather with Chief Meteorologist